Embracing a vibrant vegan pregnancy. Congratulations on your pregnancy. Choosing a vegan lifestyle during this special time is a wonderful way to nourish both you and your growing baby. Rest assured, a well-planned vegan diet provides all the nutrients you need for a healthy pregnancy. Scientific research supports vegan pregnancy, highlighting its many benefits for you and your little one. This guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools to thrive on a plant-based diet throughout your pregnancy journey. A vegan diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, offers an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for your baby's growth and development. From a robust immune system to strong bones, a vegan diet sets the stage for a healthy start in life. Moreover, studies show that vegan mothers tend to have lower risks of gestational diabetes and preeclampsia. Embracing a vegan pregnancy is not just about nutrition. It's about aligning your values with your lifestyle. It's about showing your child the beauty of compassion and sustainability from the very beginning. As you embark on this journey, remember that you are not alone. Countless resources and a supportive community are here to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive into the world of vegan pregnancy, exploring delicious meal ideas, essential nutrients, and tips for building a supportive network. Get ready to experience the joy of nourishing yourself and your baby with the power of plants. Nourishing you and your little one essential nutrients. During pregnancy, your body needs an increased amount of specific nutrients to support your baby's growth. A well-planned vegan diet can easily meet these needs. Let's explore some key nutrients and their plant-based sources. Protein, essential for your baby's cell growth and development. Include plenty of lentils, beans, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, edamame, quinoa, and nuts in your diet. Iron, crucial for red blood cell production and preventing anemia. Good sources include fortified cereals, leafy green vegetables, dried fruits, and beans. Combine these iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits or bell peppers to enhance iron absorption. Calcium, vital for strong bones and teeth in your developing baby. Include calcium-fortified plant milks, tofu set with calcium sulfate, leafy green vegetables, and almonds in your diet. DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. An omega-3 fatty acid crucial for your baby's brain and eye development. Opt for algae-based DHA supplements specifically designed for pregnancy. Remember, a varied and balanced vegan diet is key to obtaining all the nutrients you need. Incorporate a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, a variety of protein sources, and plenty of whole grains into your daily meals. Plant-powered plates, delicious and easy meal ideas. Eating a vegan diet during pregnancy doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some delicious and easy meal ideas to inspire you. Breakfast: overnight oats with berries and nuts. Combine rolled oats, plant milk, chia seeds, and your favorite berries in a jar. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy cold with a sprinkle of nuts. Tofu scramble with avocado toast. Sauté crumbled tofu with turmeric, cumin, and nutritional yeast for a savory breakfast. Serve on whole wheat toast with mashed avocado. Smoothies: blend together leafy greens, fruits, plant milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a quick and nutritious breakfast on the go. Lunch salads with chickpeas and tahini dressing. Top a bed of leafy greens with chickpeas, chopped vegetables, and a drizzle of tahini dressing. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. Enjoy a hearty bowl of lentil soup packed with protein and fiber. Serve with a side of whole grain bread. Vegan sushi rolls. Prepare your own sushi rolls at home using brown rice, avocado, cucumber, and your favorite vegetables. Dinner: chickpea curry with brown rice. A flavorful and satisfying meal packed with protein and fiber. Vegan lasagna: layer lasagna noodles with vegetables, vegan cheese sauce, and lentil or mushroom filling for a comforting dinner. Tofu stir-fry with quinoa. A quick and easy meal packed with vegetables and protein. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavors and cuisines. Remember to listen to your body and eat when you're hungry. Finding your tribe. Building a supportive vegan community. Navigating pregnancy can be a whirlwind of emotions and experiences. Having a supportive network of friends, family, and fellow vegan moms can make all the difference. Here are some ways to build your tribe. Connect with online communities. Join vegan pregnancy forums and social media groups to connect with other expectant mothers who share your lifestyle. These online spaces offer a wealth of information, support, and shared experiences. Attend local vegan events. Look for vegan festivals, potlucks, or cooking classes in your area. These events provide an opportunity to meet like-minded individuals and expand your vegan circle. Reach out to local vegan organizations. Many cities have vegan societies or animal rights groups that host events and support groups. Connecting with these organizations can provide you with valuable resources and a sense of community. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Pregnancy can be overwhelming, and it's okay to ask for help when you need it. Lean on your partner, family, or friends for support, whether it's running errands, preparing meals, or simply lending an ear. Breakfast, bliss, starting your day. Right. Breakfast is often hailed as the most important meal of the day, and it holds even more significance during pregnancy. Starting your day with a nutritious vegan breakfast provides you and your growing baby with the energy and nutrients needed to thrive. Here are some ideas to transform your mornings into moments of breakfast bliss. Embrace the power of oats. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, iron, and B vitamins. Prepare overnight oats the night before for a grab-and-go breakfast option. Combine rolled oats, your choice of plant milk, chia seeds, and your favorite fruits in a jar. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy cold with a sprinkle of nuts or seeds in the morning. Indulge in tofu scramble. Tofu scramble is a versatile and protein-rich breakfast option that can be customized to your liking. Crumble firm tofu into a pan and sauté with turmeric, cumin, nutritional yeast, and your favorite vegetables for a savory and satisfying start to your day. Serve on whole wheat toast with mashed avocado for a boost of healthy fats. Whip up a nutrient-packed smoothie. Smoothies are a quick and convenient way to pack in a variety of nutrients. Blend together leafy greens like spinach or kale, fruits like berries or bananas, plant milk, and a scoop of vegan protein powder for a refreshing and energy-boosting breakfast. Add a tablespoon of flax seeds or chia seeds for an extra dose of omega-3 fatty acids. Explore the world of pancakes and waffles. Indulge your pancake and waffle cravings with vegan versions of these breakfast classics. Use a flaxseed egg to bind the batter and experiment with different flours like whole wheat, buckwheat, or oat flour. Top with fresh fruit, vegan yogurt, or a drizzle of maple syrup for a delightful and satisfying breakfast treat. Lunchtime delights nourishing midday meals. As your pregnancy progresses, it's important to fuel your body with nourishing lunches that provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Vegan lunches can be both delicious and satisfying, offering a wide array of flavors and textures to keep your taste buds happy. Here are some lunchtime delights to brighten your midday. Embrace the salad rainbow. Salads are a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of fresh vegetables into your diet. Create a bed of leafy greens like spinach, romaine lettuce, or kale, and then let your creativity run wild with toppings. Add chickpeas, lentils, or tofu for protein, chopped vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots for crunch, and a drizzle of tahini dressing for a creamy and flavorful finish. Explore the world of soups. Soups are a comforting and nourishing lunchtime option, perfect for cooler days or when you're craving something warm and satisfying. Lentil soup is a protein-rich and fiber-packed choice, while vegetable soups can be loaded with a rainbow of vitamins and minerals. Pair your soup with a side of whole grain bread for a complete and satisfying meal. Get creative with sandwiches and wraps. Vegan sandwiches and wraps are a versatile and convenient lunchtime option. Use whole grain bread or tortillas as your base and fill them with your favorite plant-based ingredients. Hummus, avocado, vegan cheese slices, roasted vegetables, and sprouts are all delicious and nutritious options. Dive into the world of Buddha bowls. Buddha bowls are a visually appealing and nutrient-packed lunchtime option. Combine a variety of grains, legumes, roasted vegetables, and a flavorful sauce in a bowl for a balanced and satisfying meal. Quinoa, brown rice, lentils, chickpeas, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and tahini dressing are all great additions to your Buddha bowl creations. Dinner time triumphs savory and satisfying recipes. Dinner time presents an opportunity to unwind, connect with loved ones, and enjoy a delicious and nourishing meal. Vegan dinners can be just as satisfying and flavorful as their non-vegan counterparts, offering a world of culinary possibilities. Here are some dinner time triumphs to tantalize your taste buds. Spice up your life with chickpea. Curry chickpea curry is a flavorful and satisfying vegan dinner option that's packed with protein and fiber. Simmer chickpeas in a creamy coconut milk-based sauce with aromatic spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander for a burst of flavor. Serve with brown rice or naan bread for a complete and comforting meal. Indulge in the comfort of vegan lasagna. Lasagna, a classic comfort food, can easily be made vegan without sacrificing any of its cheesy, saucy goodness. Layer lasagna noodles with sautéed vegetables, a rich vegan cheese sauce made with cashews or potatoes, and a lentil or mushroom filling for a hearty and satisfying dinner. Explore the versatility of tofu stir-fry. Tofu stir-fry is a quick and easy dinner option that's perfect for weeknights. Press firm tofu to remove excess moisture and then cut it into cubes. Sauté the tofu with your favorite vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and snap peas, and then toss with a savory sauce made with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. Serve over quinoa or brown rice for a complete and protein-packed meal. Embrace the world of plant-based burgers. Vegan burgers have come a long way, and there are now countless delicious and satisfying options available, both at restaurants and in grocery stores. Grill or pan-fry your favorite vegan burger patty, and serve it on a whole wheat bun with all the fixings, such as lettuce, tomato, onion, and vegan mayonnaise. Baked sweet potato fries make a delicious and healthier alternative to traditional French fries. Snack attack: healthy and delicious bites. Snacking is an essential part of a healthy pregnancy diet, as it helps keep your blood sugar levels stable and provides you with sustained energy throughout the day. Vegan snacks can be just as satisfying and convenient as their non-vegan counterparts, offering a wide array of flavors and textures to keep your taste buds happy. Embrace the power of nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Keep a bag of almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds on hand for a quick and satisfying snack. Indulge in the goodness of fruits. Fruits are nature's candy, offering a burst of sweetness and a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Keep a bowl of fresh fruit on your counter for a quick and healthy snack. Get creative with vegetable sticks and dips. Vegetable sticks and dips are a classic snack for a reason. They're easy to prepare, portable, and offer a satisfying crunch. Explore the world of vegan yogurt. Vegan yogurt is a delicious and versatile snack that can be enjoyed on its own or topped with your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola. While a well-planned vegan diet can provide most of the nutrients you need during pregnancy, taking a prenatal vitamin is essential to fill any potential nutritional gaps. Prenatal vitamins are specifically formulated to meet the increased demands of pregnancy, ensuring that both you and your baby are getting the nutrients you need to thrive. Look for a prenatal vitamin that is specifically designed for vegans and contains the following essential nutrients. Vitamin B12, which is crucial for cell growth and development, and can be difficult to obtain enough from a vegan diet alone. Vitamin D plays a vital role in calcium absorption, which is essential for strong bones and teeth in your developing baby. Iron requirements increase significantly during pregnancy, and a prenatal vitamin can help ensure you're meeting your daily needs. Iodine is crucial for your baby's brain development, and it can be difficult to obtain enough from diet alone. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right prenatal vitamin for you and your individual needs. Social gatherings can sometimes feel like a minefield when you're pregnant and vegan. From well-meaning but misinformed comments to limited food options, it's important to have a plan in place to navigate these situations with grace and ease. Communicate your needs in advance. If you're attending a potluck or dinner party, offer to bring a vegan dish to share. This ensures that you'll have something delicious and nutritious to eat while also introducing your friends and family to the wonders of vegan cuisine. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're unsure about the ingredients in a dish, Don't hesitate to ask the host or server. Most people are happy to accommodate dietary restrictions, especially when it comes to pregnancy. Focus on connection, not food. Remember that social gatherings are primarily about connecting with loved ones, not just about the food. Focus on engaging in conversations, sharing laughter, and creating memories. Have a backup plan. If you're concerned about the availability of vegan options, have a light snack or meal beforehand so you're not starving. While this guide provides valuable information about vegan pregnancy, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. They can assess your individual needs, address any concerns you may have, and help you create a meal plan that meets your specific requirements. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider if you experience any unusual symptoms or have any questions or concerns about your vegan pregnancy. They are your trusted partners in ensuring a healthy and joyful journey for both you and your baby. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed, seeking professional guidance, and listening to your body, you can embrace the transformative experience of vegan pregnancy with confidence and joy. As you embark on this incredible journey of growing a new life, embrace the power of plants to nourish both you and your little one. A well-planned vegan diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, provides all the essential nutrients you need to thrive. Remember to focus on consuming adequate amounts of protein, iron, calcium, and DHA, and consider taking a prenatal vitamin to fill any potential nutritional gaps. Build a supportive network of friends, family, and fellow vegan moms to share this special time with. Embrace the joy of discovering new vegan recipes, experimenting with flavors, and creating delicious and nourishing meals for yourself and your growing family. And most importantly, listen to your body, honor your cravings, and savor every moment of this extraordinary journey. Congratulations on choosing a compassionate and health-conscious lifestyle for yourself and your little one. May your vegan pregnancy be filled with joy, vitality, and an abundance of plant-powered goodness.